Hello my friends, hello CorelDraw lovers. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to create this pop-out effect in CorelDraw. Without having to say much, let's get right into business. So click on file and click on new, and I'm just going to use a custom size. The size I'm going to be using is a 6.4 by 3.6, and then after I'm just going to click OK like this. So the first thing you should do is double click on this rectangle to create a replica here and give it a white color. Of course, remove the outline by clicking none here. So the first thing I want to do is go over, let me just put this aside, this is the title. Come here and select the rectangle, and we're going to make sure we're drawing rounded corners rectangle. So make it big the way you want it. Take your shape tool and from the edge here, make it a rounded corner rectangle like this. So we're going to make several copies of this. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make this small. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, put this down here, and make this one small like this. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is highlight all of them and right click and click on group to group them. Right, so this is group, and you want to give them one color, which is this color here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go over to where you have your image. You can get all of this image in your CorelDraw Mega Bundle, right? Or your Smart Designer Premium Assets. So I'm just going to put this inside and make it bigger just a little bit to fit all of these rectangles. Just make sure you're sticking out a little bit like this. That's the trick. And position this here. So I'm going to bring this out and right click on it. Right click and select power clip inside. So select and right click and click on power clip inside and select the rectangle. You can see it's inside already. But click edit because we want to position this well. Put it somewhere here and adjust it. So copy this image, click on finish to leave the power clip, and Ctrl V to paste this here. Select your shape to highlight these two nodes and bring it up like this, and boom, there you go. The effect is beginning to take shape, right? Or has taken shape. So what you need to do here basically is to fine-tune all of this by removing the outline from the shapes. So how do you do that? Very simple. So what you need to do is first and foremost, you want to ungroup all of this, or remove the outline first, none, and click on this here to ungroup all of them like this. So what you want to do is select this and use your eyedropper to select this color, apply here, and apply here like this. So select this one, hold down shift and select the three of them. Hold down Control and click on this yellow 4 times or 5 times, right, until you get this. Use your eyedropper tool to put this color here. Press G on your keyboard, G for gradient. Select this one and select the radial, which is this one here, right? So the first thing you want to do is increase this white point as a light point and increase this part too, right? Take it out like this, and you can manipulate this further to your taste until you get what you actually want out of this. But as for me, I'm okay with this, right? So like I said, you can make other adjustments to this image and create something better out of this. But this was how I created this pop-out effect in CorelDraw. If you've not gotten your CorelDraw Mega Bundle premium templates, this is power packed with templates like this, and like this. These are banners, and also like this, these are club flyers, all in one bundle, right? So to get yours, click the link in the description of this video to actually get yours. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, don't snooze, or less you'll lose when I post next video. Until then, I love you guys.